everyone. Greetings of the day. Welcome to Sneha Ghode Programming YouTube channel. As we know, we have started the C programming language playlist. So here we are going to start the C introduction. So in this one, first of all, we are going to see the history and the characteristics of the C languages. Then we are going to write and compile our first program, and then we are going to see what are the basic syntax and the rules of it. Yeah, obviously by writing down the program you'll get to know that how we are going to write it down. So for the first time you will not get it properly, but we are going to start from the basic line by line. What is the meaning of which keyword and all the things we are going to see. So stay tuned. So first of all, we are going to start the history of the C language. So basically, what is the C language? As we know that we are having different languages, like Marathi language is there, then Hindi language is there, English language is there, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, right? So many languages are there. So likewise, those are the our mother tongues maybe. Okay, so here that if we are talking in any of the language, the meaning of the that particular sentence will be same, but the way of writing down that particular language is different. Like in Marathi we are having the A, I, E, and then in language we are in English we are having the alphabets from A to Z, right? From Hindi also we are having some A, I, E, with like that. Okay, so here in the C language is also containing some syntax. Okay, so it is going to follow some procedure. uh, Okay, so here the how this language is who invented this language is first of all the history of C language is interesting to know. Here we are going to discuss a brief history of the C language. So the C programming language was developed in 1972 by Denis Ritchie at the Bell Laboratories of AT&T's American Telephone and Telegraph located in the USA. So here the question may be asked like C programming language was developed in which year and who developed that language. So here in 1972 it is developed, and Dennis Ritchie at the Bell's laboratory of AT&T is the answer for that particular question. And where it is located? It is located in the USA. Then Dennis Ritchie is known as the founder of the C language. So here the another question may be asked that who is the founder of the C language? So that is nothing but the Dennis Ritchie. Okay. Then now it was developed to overcome the problem of previous languages such as BCPL, that is COBOL. There are so many languages, and so the C is a more evolved language. Okay, so hope this is clear for everyone. Now we are going to see the characteristics of the C language. So C is widely used language and it provides the many features that are given below. So first of all, it is a very simple language. Then it is a machine independent language, or it is a portable language. Okay, we can run this on any of the machine. That it is not a machine dependent, it is a machine independent language. Okay, then after that, here the mid-level programming language, we can say it is a mid-level programming language because it is going to be follow the oops concepts also. Okay, so then after that, the structured programming language. Yeah, as I told that it is going to follow a particular structure. If we are not going to use that particular structure, syntaxes and rules, so it is not going to give us a particular that expected output. Then it is having a rich library. It contains so many library functions like stdio.h, conio.h, right, math.h, and many more. Okay, then it is having a very good memory management. Like it contains some memory management functions like we can say that memory allocation, malloc, calloc, calloc, realloc, and free, right? So after that, it is a fast in speed as compared to the Java and the Python language. Then here we are going to use the concept of pointers. That the pointers is nothing but it is going to store the address of the another variable. Then recursion, here Recursion is nothing but the calling the same function inside, right, again and again. It is called as a recursion. And then it is also an extensible in nature. So we'll see it one by one. Here the C is a simple language in the sense that it provides a structured approach. So what is the structured approach? Is nothing but we can break down the problem into the parts, and it is having a rich set of library functions, data types, right, keywords, etc. And so this is a very simple language. Then after that, if you know the C language, then you can easily learn Java, C++, Python concepts also, right? So C is the basic, we can say. Then after that, machine independent or to portable. So unlike assembly language, the C program can be executed on different machines with some machine specific changes. Therefore the C is called as machine independent language. Then next is our mid-level programming language. So as we know, C is intended to the low-level programming. Yes, we used to say it as an low-level programming, as it is evolved from the low-level programming. It contains all the characteristics of the low-level programmings, right? And it is used to develop a system application such as kernels, drivers, etc. And it also supports the feature of high level languages, that is the C++ level. C++ is nothing but the we can say it is a high level language. So that's why we are going to know it as a middle level language. Okay, then after that, structured programming language. As I already told you, C is a structured programming language in the sense that we can break the programs into the parts using the functions. So it is easy to understand and modify. The function always provide the code reusability. Okay, and this reusability function is going to be used further, that is in a C++, that is object oriented programming, that is nothing but the inheritance. So in the inheritance, what we are going to do is nothing but the reusability of the code. We are just reuse the particular function. Then next is rich library. So the C provides a lot of inbuilt functions that makes the development fast. Then next is the memory management. Here it supports the feature of dynamic memory allocation in C language. So we can free the allocated memory at any time by calling the free function. Okay, so dynamic memory means we can change on a runtime, right? Dynamic means is nothing but we can change the size of the memory at runtime. So that is nothing but the dynamic memory allocation. Then after that, speed. The compilation and the execution time of the C language is fast since there is a lesser inbuilt functions and hence the lesser overhead. So that's why it is speeder as compared to the others. Then here we are going to use the most important feature, that is the pointer. So the C provides the feature of pointer. We can directly interact with the memory by using the pointers. If you know the address of that particular memory or particular data, if you know the address of the particular data, directly you can access that data. So that's why here pointer is a very strong point over here, that we can use pointers for memory structures, functions, arrays, etc. Then after that, recursion. So we can call the function within the function is nothing but the recursion. Calling the function by itself is nothing but the recursion. So it provides the code reusability for every function. Recursion enables to use the approach of backtracking. Right? Okay. Then after that, extensible. The C language is extensible because it can easily adapt the new features. So the C language is evolved with some extra features, the object oriented programmings. So and it is totally called as an C++. So that's why it is called as it is an extensible programming language. Okay, so if you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. In the next video we are going to see what is a basic structure of C language, how to write down a program in a C language, okay, and what is how to execute that particular program, right? Thank you for watching the video.